Mastering the tree thinking model, navigating the maze of control with ease. In the intricate tapestry of society, we cannot escape the realities of control and being controlled. This complex dance between autonomy and constraint permeates every aspect of our lives. From the workplace to the home, from the individual to the group, this web of control is all-encompassing. How do we adapt to this intricate network of control? The key lies in shifting our mindset and adopting a fresh perspective. Our primary goal should be to avoid unnecessary control whenever possible. This requires a flexible yet resilient mindset that allows us to navigate the structures of society with agility. This adaptability is not just about avoiding challenges. It also means taking proactive control of our lives. By honing this adaptability, we can handle life with greater ease and lessen the impact of external pressures. While we cannot change the complexities of society's structure or the intricacies of interpersonal relationships, we can change ourselves. This internal transformation is crucial for effectively managing the realities of control. It teaches us how to maintain inner calm and composure in the face of a complex world. The tree thinking model I developed is based on extensive life experience and observations of human relationships. It serves as a framework that encourages individuals to grow and thrive like a tree, rooted and resilient. This mindset provides us with a solid foundation and a firm stance when facing external control, enabling us to stand strong amidst life's storms. This mindset encourages us to be steadfast like a mighty tree, deeply rooted in our values and beliefs while also being adaptable to change. It promotes a grounded and clear-headed approach that guides us to make wise decisions in the face of external control. The tree thinking model emphasizes personal growth and autonomy while helping us confront external pressures with steadfast values and beliefs. By integrating the tree thinking model into our lives, we can undergo a profound transformation in how we approach challenges. This shift empowers us with the wisdom and strength to confront control without feeling resistant or discouraged. It enables us to maintain composure in the face of the unknown and uncertainty. Imagine a society where everyone embraces the tree thinking model. We would witness a world with a balanced perspective, free from unnecessary constraints. People would learn to gracefully adapt to challenges and find stability amidst life's uncertainties. Tree thinking helps us discover inner peace in the midst of chaos, providing us with the strength to face challenges. Ultimately, embracing the tree thinking model leads to greater autonomy and fulfillment. It allows us to stand firm in our principles while also flowing with the currents of life when necessary. This balance fosters growth, resilience, and a deeper sense of purpose. The tree thinking model will become our guiding light in navigating the complexities of life. Are you ready to embrace the tree thinking model and transform your life? By cultivating this mindset, you can more effectively navigate the maze of control and discover greater depth and fulfillment on your life's journey. Let's embark on this path of growth together and see how far we can go. Through the tree thinking model, we will find our path to balance in the maze of control and counter-control. What about you?